Hurricanes in the United States happen a lot and can be very dangerous. In the fall of 2022, Hurricane Ian left over 2 million people without power. It also affected Cuba, causing their power system to fail. That's why Americans aren't just making cool cars and homemade stuff in their garages. They're also building shelters like this one. Let's hope we never have to use it. The owner says it's made with a strong galvanized steel frame, and the work was done by FlatSafe, a company that's good at projects like this. The shelter could also be useful if you need to change the oil in your car. People cleverly mentioned that in the comments. Here, the price climbs up to $1,000, but let me tell you, it's worth every penny. This car wash system is a standout for some fantastic reasons. First things first, it's one of the quietest in its league, producing less than 80 decibels of noise, just as quiet as a powerful vacuum cleaner. And that's not all. Its brushless induction technology ensures it lasts a whopping 4 times longer than the other guys. With a pressure of 130 bar, a flow rate of 9.5 liters per minute, and a toasty temperature of 60 degrees Celsius, you'd never guess that this incredible system was founded by a car enthusiast with zero prior experience. It's top-notch quality for a top-notch ride. Ever caught an episode of Storage Wars? You know, where folks bid on garages and warehouses, hoping to score big when they sell the contents? Well, if you've got a garage full of stuff, here's the deal. You need a storage system that's not just convenient, but downright amazing. That's where these storage systems come in. Perfect for garages, warehouses, industrial spots, you name it. We're talking 3 fantastic options here. A slide system that can handle up to 12 containers and a whopping 420 pounds of load. A mini lift with a platform ready to carry up to 700 pounds. And a sturdy fixed shelf that can hold a cool 1,000 pounds. And guess what? All of this goodness comes with a limited lifetime warranty. Yeah, you heard that right. These systems are so good, they're patent pending, and they start at just $479. Now, isn't that a sweet deal to keep your stuff organized and ready to roll? Don't miss out. Parking slider. Ever feel the frustration of having space for 2 cars in your garage, but only one actually fits? Especially in places like the US and the UK, where we lead in the number of cars per person. Well, guess what? A company's got your back with the perfect solution, the parking slider. You and a friend can set this beauty up in just a few hours with the easy-peasy DIY kit. And get this, it can handle up to a whopping 2,720 kilograms, all thanks to its powerful half-horsepower motor. If the standard features don't quite fit your needs, these creators can customize one just for you. Hold on to your excitement, because these hooks can handle a jaw-dropping 50 pounds effortlessly. The brilliant creators had one goal in mind: to make life easier for everyone, from housewives to professional builders, when it comes to organizing tools and accessories. And let me tell you, they nailed it. These hooks, powered by a seriously strong magnet, can be securely fixed on metal surfaces in one smooth motion. The manufacturers give you options with 2 sizes, 3 and 4.5 inches, with different shapes to fit your needs perfectly. Need even more storage? They've got you covered with a steel plate. And get this, they rocked Kickstarter, raising over $24,000. All this awesomeness can be yours for just $21 per hook. Tired of dealing with the mess when vacuuming the garage and all its stuff? Well, here's your game changer, an invisible hose that seamlessly connects to existing dust extraction systems or your trusty vacuum cleaner. The coolest part? This hose, stretching from 9 to 15 meters, takes up minimal space and magically coils back up after use. No more fuss with untangling or lugging around a bulky hose. But wait, there's more. It plays well with different nozzles, giving you the flexibility to set up a home cleaning system using a few of these fantastic hoses. This pneumatic jack stands out as an essential addition to any car repair workshop. With the ability to effortlessly lift a remarkable 7,716 pounds to a height of 16 inches, it establishes itself as a compact and invaluable tool, particularly effective when working on vehicles with low ground clearance. Operating within a working pressure range of 6 to 10 bar and incorporating a 2-valve system, it allows for the disconnection of the jack from the pump without concerns about uncontrolled dropping. Weighing a mere 44 pounds and featuring wheels for easy mobility around the shop, this jack successfully combines power with portability. The most attractive aspect? All these features are available at a budget-friendly price of just $103. Meet UniFUX, the ultimate all-purpose helper for car workshops, and soon, even for truck workshops. This tool pulls double duty by delicately unsticking a wheel from the hub if it's jammed. But that's not all. It goes the extra mile by not only detecting any joint play, but also clearly conveying the information to customers. UniFUX is designed for wheel sizes ranging from 550 to 800 millimeters. It's a breeze to install, taking just seconds. What's more, this tool not only saves you time and muscle power with its long handle, but also ensures your rims stay worry-free. Elevate your workshop game with UniFUX, your go-to companion for efficiency and customer satisfaction. If you're a Top Gear enthusiast, you likely recall the laughs about Captain Slow and many celebrity guests. But what about the iconic table? As per online sources, it's crafted from a Jaguar V12 engine. While there are replicas available for purchase at a price tag of $3,000, craftsmen worldwide are putting their own spin on this concept, creating even more captivating versions. Take, for instance, the V6 and V8 engine tables displayed on the screen, each boasting a distinct and fascinating design. The red and black model, showcasing its unique flair, found a new owner for a price of $5,500. Elevate your space with a piece that not only sparks conversation but also carries the spirit of automotive ingenuity. In search of a car lift for vehicles weighing up to 3 tons that can be effortlessly managed by a single person? Look no further. The option you're eyeing on the screen not only meets these criteria but comes with additional perks. Thanks to its intelligent design, the car doors can be opened at any height, and the safety system is seamlessly integrated with both hydraulic and mechanical components. This versatile lift can elevate the car to a height of 1.8 meters, and it accomplishes the task in just around 40 seconds, ensuring efficiency and convenience. What's more, its clever rack design guarantees safe lifting for various vehicles, spanning from vans and vintage cars to compact models like the Volkswagen Beetle. Upgrade your lifting experience with this smart and reliable car lift. Mechanics, especially those working on buses or trucks, will find immense satisfaction in this creeper. Unlike many, this 3-wheeled version offers adjustable ground clearance, a feature not common even in all cars. Its design, reminiscent of an office chair, includes 2 armrests with tool trays and a soft polyurethane headrest. With a robust payload capacity of 500 pounds, this chair remains stable during maneuvers, thanks to its universal, all-terrain wheels. Elevate your workshop experience with this practical and versatile creeper, available at a reasonable price of $375. Among the myriad spells mastered by Harry Potter, there's Lumos, a spell that conjures light at the tip of his wand. This spell could prove invaluable for a magical transportation estimator. In the non-magical world, a comparable lighting system can be quite practical for quickly identifying dents and flaws. In some aspects, it's even more impressive than Lumos, as it allows you to adjust the color temperature of the light. This feature makes it effortless to inspect cars of any color. With a single charge lasting for 10 to 12 hours and a weight of under 2 kilograms, it's akin to a magic wand from the world of technology. In 2019 and 2020, a staggering 81.6 million motorcycles were sold globally, equivalent to one bike for every person in South Africa, with some to spare. The challenge of transporting and storing bikes has long been a headache for motorcycle enthusiasts worldwide. Thankfully, solutions like the Motor Mover Dolly, showcased on the screens working seamlessly with a sidearm stand, are making these tasks much more manageable. Capable of moving motorcycles weighing up to 1,323 pounds, this system accommodates the bike's footrest perfectly, eliminating the need for locking in place. Now, motorcycles can be stored not only neatly but also in confined spaces. While the benefits are clear, it's worth noting that the price for the Dolly in the stand stands at $355. A small investment for significant convenience, benefiting bikers, salespeople, logisticians, and showroom staff alike. Now, let's dive into tiles that mirror the aesthetic appeal often showcased on home improvement shows. These tiles possess the remarkable ability to conceal rough, old, and grimy concrete in just a few hours. The Ground One's version takes user-friendliness to the next level, allowing tiles to be easily connected by hand. Their impressive toughness extends to resistance against oil, gasoline, acids, alkalis, and solvents, making them exceptionally durable. These tiles can endure temperatures up to 120 degrees Celsius and boast a compressive strength of about 215 bar, surpassing the strength of some concrete types. A solid choice not only for personal garages but also for commercial spaces seeking both style and resilience. In 2012, the Driving Standards Agency in England unveiled intriguing driving test statistics, revealing that women excel at parking. Impressively, 77% of women and 56% of men achieved good or very good scores in this category. These mats emerge as an excellent gift for male friends, boyfriends, or husbands, aiding in more accurate entries into garages or parking lots. The mats feature special bumps that prevent dirt and water from wheel tracks, maintaining cleanliness. Sized at 21.5 by 11 inches, they offer flexibility for installation, using either glue or screws. The added touch of reflective tape ensures effortless parking even in the dark.